Today's big showcase being brought to you by DuPont Pioneer. Kenny O'Brien on the telephone line with us. Ken, you're the Encirca guy, and I know you guys are taking a look at a lot of data right now. What are you looking at, and what are you finding out?
Bob, right now we're doing a lot of analysis of the 2015 data, trying to help some of our customers that were here last year determine how the Encirca tool was able to make them more productive. And I say more productive because when we're talking about nitrogen management, which is our key focus area, what we're really looking for here is ways to reduce somebody's cost per bushel of production. And you do that in one of two ways, either by increasing yield or by decreasing the input cost. And so productivity is our big focus. And we've so far, it's early in the analysis season, but so far we've been seeing some really great results from what we did in 2015 with the Encirca tool.
Ken, talk about that Encirca tool and some of the recommendations you're going to be making for next year's nitrogen use.
Yeah, so at the same time we're doing analysis of the 2015 data, we're also setting up some fields for 2016 for some of these growers that like to do fall anhydrous applications. We got a couple of different things we're doing. Sometimes what we're helping do is use our model and use our services to help the grower determine what's the right flat rate of anhydrous to put on in the fall to make sure they've got the most productive crop they can have in 2016. But a lot of times what we're doing with the fall anhydrous is actually doing a variable rate application, Bob, where we're sitting there looking at the soil, looking at its ability to hold nitrogen, looking at the soil's ability to create yield, and looking at the differences in yield productivity across the field to help take those anhydrous applications and put the right amount of nitrogen in the right soil type across that field.
So Encirca kind of custom fits the product for your field?
Yes, we do. It's something that we sit down with each individual field, make sure we understand what's the starting point of the nitrogen level in that field, have a good discussion with the farmer about what's their goal for that particular field, help spread that yield goal across the field and figure out which soil types are going to produce what yield, and really custom fit a recommendation to each individual field.
How can we find out more?
Best bet is go to encirca.pioneer.com or contact your local Pioneer sales representative or certified services agent.
Today's big showcase being brought to you by DuPont Pioneer. I'm Bob Quinn.